OpenLM License Parser is a free parsing service powered by OpenLM. OpenLM License Parser parses cryptic license files, license server log files, and any other related file to a human-readable format. Take this Flexi IM license file, just drag and drop it on the page, and License Parser will provide a clear report that details the license features, amounts, expiration dates, license type, and more. Another example, this is a Flex IM License Manager debug log file that contains very important information on the license server operation. OpenLM License Parser extracts detailed license usage statistics from the file and provides a detailed report. The report contains detailed information such as vendor name, features, sessions, and denials. OpenLM License Parser respects your privacy. Your files are automatically deleted from our server after parsing. We don't ask for your email address and don't display adverts. The service is completely free. OpenLM License Parser team is looking forward to receiving your feedback.